Gabriel! Hey, don't eat that. What are you doing?
You know, once I started putting the squares
What are you
together,
doing?
Once I started putting the squares together, it didn't take long to sew it.
Excuse me, don't put that in your mouth. I said don't put that in your mouth.
Do you agree with me? You like the pink with this better?
Yeah, it's fine. Hi!
At least I do.
Don't eat that. Okay, say bye. You're tearing apart Grandma's magazine and trying to eat it, huh? Hey, little man. Hey, hey. Hi. Can you laugh?